chapter, that is a multiplication. This is the last chapter. Warm up. That is what? There is one. Count the number of the sheep together. See here it is a group 1, group 2 and group 3. These are, see first we have to write down group. Afterwards how many times that one we have to write down how many are there. So 1, 2, 3, 3 groups. These are 3 groups of 4 sheep each. These are 3 groups 1, 2, 3. And how many sheep each? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 each. So there are 3 into 4, 12 sheep altogether. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 into 4. That is a 3 times of 4. So this is what? This is a repeated addition. Multiplication means what? Repeated addition. B1, count how many sandwich are present in each lunchbox. See how many groups are there. First we have to see the groups A, B, C like this. We have to count that one. 1, 2, 3. How many groups? 3 groups. 3 lunchbox have how many each? That is a 2 sandwiches. So 3 into 2, that is a 6. 6 sandwich. Now look at what we are learning here. Multiplication has repeated addition. Multiplication means we are repeating the addition. Tables 2, 5 and 10. Now multiplying vertically. Here we are doing multiplying the vertically. Multiplying by 0 and 1. That is a 0 property and 1. So multiplication story. See my head. See here it is Manjit, Revati and what? Fabina, Azhar, they are singing. Okay. Fabina, Azhar, Manjit and Revati are playing music instrument for a song in their class. Let us sing the song given and also enact. 2 times 2 is 4. Clap your hands more and more. 3 times 3 is 9. I have a mic and I sing very fine. 5 times 5 is 25. Hit the drums. Bang, bang, bang. 10 times 10 times 10 is 100. Singing and dancing never make me tired. See, this is what they are telling the tables also. The multiplication has repeated addition. Repeated addition means adding the same number again and again. When each number has the same number, each number has the same number, then it is a multiplication. We are repeating the addition to find out how many are there in all. Multiplication is faster way to do repeated addition. Then we use this one sign, cross sign is to show the multiplication. Let us observe multiplication in details. Look at the following groups and find how many cakes are there in altogether. First we have to make a group, that is a 2 groups. How many each? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 into 4, that is what? 8. The repetition means what here? There are 2 groups of 4 cakes each. So which one we have to repeat it? That is each is we are repeating, that is a 4. How many times? 2 times. 1 time and 2 time. 4 plus 4, 8. That is a repeated addition. I remember when we multiply 2 numbers, the answer is known as a product. When we are multiplying the 2 numbers, when the answer is getting, here it is 8 means that is a product. So here it is what? 8 multiplication sentence. See what we are saying like this. We say this has 2 times of 4 is, that is a 8. Thus there are 8 cupcakes together. That is my time. See how many drums are all there together. How many drums are there all together. See how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. How many drums each? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So repeated addition, which one we have to write on? Which is a repeated, that is each we are writing. So how many times you have to write on? that is a 5 groups, that is a 5 times. So 1, 2, that is a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus, that is a 10. So multiplication sentence, first we have to write down group and afterwards each that one. So 5 into 2, that is a 10. So there are 10 drums altogether. How many pencils are there altogether? Here it is a how many groups? 2 groups. How many pencils each? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 each. Repeated addition which we have to write down? That is a each. That is a 4 plus 4. How many groups? 2 groups. 1 and 2. 4 plus that is 8. Multiplication sentence 2. First we have to write down group and afterwards each. 2 into 4, 8. There are 8. How many? 8 pencils together. Now how many clips are there all together? How many groups first? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups. How many each that one clips? 1, 2, 3. So 4 into 3, that is a 12. But we have to write on repeated addition. Which one we have to repeat? 3. How many times? 4. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 12. The multiplication sentence is 4 into 3, 12. There are 12 clips altogether. Fourth one, using repeated addition, fill in the blanks. So 4 times of 2, so that is 8. So we have to write down the each. This is a 2. How many times you have to write down? 4. 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here it is a 5. Fourth one, using repeated addition, fill in the blanks. So 4 times of 2, so that is 8. So we have to write down the each. This is a 2. How many times you have to write down? 4. 1, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here it is a 5. 5 times of 3. So 15. First we have to write down each. That is a 3. 3 how many times you have to write down? 5 times. Here it is a 9 into 5. 45. 5 we have to write down 9 times. 1 into 5. 5. So 5 you have to write down only 1 time. So here it is a 4, we have to write down 3 times. Here it is a 1. 1 how many times you have to write down? 4 times. Here it is a 4 into 5, that is a 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times you have to write down? That is a 4 time. 2 into 10, 20. So 10 we have to write down 2 times. So 2 times of 10. 10 plus 10, that is a 20. Table of 2, starting from the 2, and what we have to color every second box. See, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. That one you have to color, and now write down the numbers you have colored it up to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20. This is a 2 times table. Now let us study the 2 times table in details. See, here it is a 1 group, that is a 2 socks, the pair of 2s. Yes, no? 2 and 1 into 2. So 1 times of a 2 each, that is a 2. Here it is a 1 group and 2 group. 2 group of 2 each, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 2 into 2, 4. Same like 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 times of 2, that is a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times of 2, that is a 8. Here it is a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times of a 2, that is a 10. Like this, 6 times of a 2, 12, 7 times of a 2, 14, 18 times of a 2, 16, 19 times of a 2, that is a 18, and 10 times of 2, that is a 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times of a 2. So that is a 20. Now we can also count in the 2's on the number strip. How many jumps of 2 are required by kangaroo? The kangaroo to reach its baby. So see, here it is a kangaroo. The kangaroo is reaching to his baby. How many jump he has to jump? 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 and 5. Then he is reaching his baby. So 5 jumps. How many times? That is a 5 times of 2. See, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 5 jumps. He is jumping 5 times of 2. 5 into 2, 10. Here that is a 2. So how many jumps? 6 jumps. 6 jumps of 2, that is a 6 into 2, 12. Here it is a 9 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 into 2 jumps. 1 and 2. So 2 jumps. 9 times of 2, 18. Here it is a tables of 5. Start from the 5 and color every 15 box. Yes, no, you have to color this one. Afterwards, what this one? How? Now write down the numbers you have colored up to 50. So 50 you have to see 5, 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 8, 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So this is a 5 times of table. Let us study the 5 times of tables in the details. See, 5 bananas are there. Here it is one group. So one time of a 5, that is a 5. Here it is 1 and 2, 2 groups. 2 times of a 5, 10. 3 times of a 5, 15, 4. Same like this up to 10 times of the 5 is 50.